Skylights. They're like windows for your ceiling. They bring the sunshine in, making your home feel bigger and brighter. It's amazing! I love using skylights in my designs. They change everything. Rooms feel more open and airy. Natural light is so important. Skylights are perfect for any room. Bedrooms, kitchens, bathrooms, they all benefit. You can even put them in hallways. Adding a skylight is a great way to update your home. It's a design element that makes a big impact. You'll love the way it transforms your space. There are so many types of skylights available today, each designed to cater to different needs and preferences. Whether you're looking to brighten up a dark room or add a touch of elegance to your home, you can find the perfect skylight to match your style and requirements. Let's explore some of the most popular options and see how they can transform your living space. Fixed skylights are a classic choice that never goes out of style. They are permanently sealed and do not open, making them a great option for areas where ventilation is not a priority. Despite being fixed, they allow an abundance of natural light to flood into your home, creating a bright and welcoming atmosphere. These skylights are perfect for rooms that need a boost of sunshine, such as living rooms, kitchens, or any space where you want to enhance the natural light. On the other hand, vented skylights are ideal for warmer climates or areas where you want to improve air circulation. These skylights can be opened to let fresh air in, helping to cool down your home and provide ventilation. Imagine a cool breeze flowing through your home on a warm day, making your living space more comfortable and enjoyable. For smaller spaces, tubular skylights are an excellent option. They are designed to fit between roof rafters, making them perfect for tight spaces where traditional skylights might not be feasible. These compact skylights can bring natural light into hallways, closets, or any small area that could benefit from additional illumination. If you have a unique home or specific design requirements, customizable skylights offer endless possibilities. You can choose the size, shape, and features that best suit your needs. From energy-efficient glazing to remote-controlled operation, the options are limitless. Customizable skylights allow you to create a truly personalized lighting solution that enhances the beauty and functionality of your home. No matter what your style or needs, there's a skylight out there that can transform your home into a brighter, more inviting space. So why not explore the possibilities and find the perfect skylight for your home today? Installing a skylight is a job for the pros, but it's helpful to understand the process. Here are some key things to remember. First, you'll need to choose the right location. Think about where you want more light. Consider the direction of the sun. Next, the installer will cut a hole in your roof. Don't worry, they'll make sure it's properly sealed. They'll install the skylight frame and flashing. Finally, they'll finish the interior with drywall and trim. It will look beautiful and blend right in with your ceiling. Remember to get multiple quotes from reputable installers. Ask about warranties and make sure they have experience with skylights. Skylights do more than just brighten your home. They improve your mood too. Natural light makes you feel happier and more energized. Studies show that natural light can even improve your sleep. When you're exposed to sunlight during the day, you sleep better at night. Skylights can also make your home feel bigger and more open. They create a connection to the outdoors, even when you're inside. Imagine waking up to a sky full of stars, or watching the clouds drift by as you relax in a warm bath. Skylights make it all possible. Skylights aren't just beautiful, they're practical too. They can help you save money on your energy bills. Here's how. Natural light reduces the need for artificial lighting. Turn off those lamps and let the sunshine in. You'll see a difference in your energy usage. Vented skylights provide natural ventilation. They cool your home in the summer, reducing the need for air conditioning. That's good for the environment and your wallet. Some skylights even come with energy-efficient features. Look for double-pane glass, low-E coatings, and insulated frames to maximize your savings. Adding skylights to your home is a smart investment. You'll enjoy the benefits for years to come. Skylights are more than just functional. They're a design element. They add architectural interest and create a focal point in any room. Imagine a sleek, modern skylight in a contemporary kitchen, or a classic arched skylight in a traditional living room. The possibilities are endless. You can even get creative with the placement of your skylights. Consider a row of skylights to create a dramatic effect. or a single skylight over a staircase to illuminate the way. With so many options available, you can find the perfect skylight to complement your home's style. Let your creativity shine through. Skylights transform the way you use your space. They make rooms feel larger and more inviting. Let me show you how. Imagine a dark, cramped bathroom. Now picture it with a skylight above the shower. Suddenly it feels spacious and spa-like. Or think about a small, cluttered kitchen. A skylight above the island brings in natural light and makes it feel open and airy. Skylights can even transform a simple hallway into a bright and welcoming entryway. They make a big impact on even the smallest spaces. With so many options, choosing the right skylight can feel overwhelming. Skylights come in various shapes, sizes, and styles, each offering unique benefits and aesthetic appeal. It's important to understand your specific needs and preferences before making a decision. But don't worry, I'm here to help. Let's break down the key factors to consider when selecting the perfect skylight for your home. First, consider the size and shape of the room. The dimensions of your space will greatly influence the type of skylight that will work best. A large room can handle a bigger skylight, which can create a stunning focal point and flood the area with natural light. On the other hand, a smaller room might need something more compact to avoid overwhelming the space. Think about the amount of light you want. Skylights can dramatically change the ambiance of a room by increasing the natural light. If you want a bright and airy space, choose a larger skylight or multiple skylights. This can make the room feel more open and inviting, perfect for living areas or kitchens. Consider your budget and the style of your home. Skylights come in a range of prices, so it's important to find one that fits within your financial plan. There are skylights available at every price point, from basic models to high-end designs with advanced features like remote control and automatic shading. Choose one that complements your existing architecture. The right skylight should enhance the overall look of your home, blending seamlessly with its design. Don't be afraid to ask for help. Consulting with a professional can provide valuable insights and ensure you make the best choice. A qualified contractor can guide you through the process and recommend the best skylight for your needs. They can help you understand the technical aspects, such as installation requirements and energy efficiency, ensuring you get the most out of your investment. Ultimately, the right skylight can transform your home, bringing in natural light, enhancing your living space, and even improving your mood. So take your time, consider your options, and choose a skylight that will bring joy and light into your home for years to come. Happy skylight shopping! Once you've chosen the type of skylight, the next step is to delve into the finer details that will make your skylight truly perfect for your home. It's time to think about the details. Here are some things to consider. Glass options. You can choose from clear, tinted, or frosted glass. Clear glass lets in the most light, making it ideal for spaces where you want to maximize natural illumination. This can be particularly beneficial in areas like kitchens or living rooms, where bright natural light can enhance the ambiance and functionality of the space. On the other hand, tinted glass reduces glare, which can be a great choice for rooms that receive a lot of direct sunlight, such as bedrooms or home offices. This option helps to create a more comfortable environment by minimizing harsh light and reducing heat. Ventilation. If you want fresh air, consider a vented skylight. Vented skylights can be a game changer for improving indoor air quality and maintaining a pleasant indoor climate. You can choose from manual or electric venting options, depending on your convenience and budget. Manual venting skylights are cost-effective and straightforward, while electric venting skylights offer the ease of operation with just a push of a button. Blinds and shades. Add blinds or shades to control the amount of light and privacy. You can choose from manual or motorized options. Blinds and shades not only help in managing the light, but also add an extra layer of insulation, which can be particularly useful in maintaining energy efficiency in your home. Flashing. Make sure the flashing around your skylight is properly installed to prevent leaks. Ask your contractor about different flashing materials. Proper flashing is crucial as it ensures that your skylight remains watertight and durable over time. By carefully considering these details, you can ensure that your skylight is a perfect fit for your home and your lifestyle. A well-chosen and properly installed skylight can transform your living space, bringing in natural light, fresh air, and a touch of elegance. It can enhance the aesthetic appeal of your home while also contributing to your overall well-being by creating a brighter, more inviting environment. So take your time, weigh your options, and make informed decisions to enjoy the full benefits of your new skylight. Skylights are more than just windows for your ceiling. They're an investment in your home, your well-being, and your happiness. Imagine waking up to the soft glow of natural light streaming through your bedroom skylight. Imagine cooking dinner in a kitchen bathed in sunshine. Imagine relaxing in a living room that feels connected to the world outside. Skylights bring the beauty of the outdoors into your home. They create a sense of peace, tranquility, and connection to nature. So why wait? Open up to the possibilities and let the sun shine in. You'll be amazed at the difference it makes.